Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So summers are here and we all want to look good. We want to go outside and enjoy our day. But there are certain things that you want to keep in mind when you are, embracing the summers. So I'm going to share with you 5 tips which will help in making your summers even much more better and healthier. Number one tip is using a lightweight moisturizer. So what I mean here is I've seen many people doing this, especially in summers, that they totally skip the moisturizer. So you're not supposed to do that because moisturizer is something which will help in keeping your skin barrier intact. But if you're using the same old moisturizer that you were using during the winter time, तो आपको गर्मियों में भी you'll using the same one, it's going to clog your pores, आपको heaviness feel होगी और all together बंद कर दोगे moisturizer लगाना, which is not good. You have to apply moisturizer, but switch from a very heavy duty moisturizer to a lightweight gel. और अगर आपकी dry skin है तो you can go for a lotion texture, but don't skip the moisturizer. Use a lightweight one. इससे आपकी skin barrier protected रहेगा. You will have that summer glow without the heaviness on your skin. Number two is incorporating more of fruits and vegetables in your diet. So I feel that जब summers आती हैं तो we are more flexible towards fruits और आप उसको आसानी से अपनी diet में incorporate कर सकते हो during the summer time. So making sure that you are having like rainbow kind of palette जिसमें कि आपका pomegranate भी है, जिसमें आपका watermelon है, mangoes are there, and there are so many different fruits that are available. Try incorporating them. So what I do is I normally eat before the lunch time, like between breakfast and lunch जो एक gap रहता है ना, during that time you can have आराम से एक अच्छा सा bowl of fruits, and that way you are incorporating so many antioxidants in your routine that you are definitely providing yourself with the nutrition जो आपको सर्दियों में नहीं मिला है. Then after that, fresh vegetables, you can be incorporating a lot of salads and all. You can be incorporating that also. But one problem with aaj ka diet jo hai is that still, no matter how healthy you eat, they're still deficient in the nutrition that you're looking for. The best solution for fighting any deficiencies in your diet na sabse acha hai ki aap ek multivitamin zarur use kare apni diet mein, because if you're deficient in B12, folic acid and all, your face will show, your overall body will get affected. The multivitamin that you can try is from the brand Phytica. It is their Vita 365 multivitamin. The tablets are great because they have grape seed, इसमें अश्वगंधा है, ginseng है, biotin है, folic acid है, vitamin and mineral है for building the immunity and stamina. It also helps in improving the digestion. So this multivitamin does have all of these beautiful ingredients, especially if I talk about ashwagandha, which is great for stress level control. इसमें grape seed है, so all of these things will help in making you healthier from within, will boost your immunity, will protect you from diseases. हमें सब कुछ इसमें मिल जाएगा. Then another thing is there that vegetarians are generally deficient, so incorporating such multivitamins is great for you, especially if you're not highly taking like this balanced diet. So what you have to do is you have to take this one tablet after lunch or bas you're done. So you don't have to like take so many different things. Just one tablet will do the job for you. So do check out the description box for the link of the product. Do try this and you'll be happy to see the results. Next tip is that in summers it won't be ever the tip complete without if you're not using sunscreen. तो आपने daily sunscreen ज़रूर लगाना है. And another thing is you have to reapply the sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. A lot of people have this question कि we तो are sitting indoors and we don't need sunscreen. But right now even I'm sitting indoor. From the door itself, see how much light is coming and hitting my face. So this visible light can definitely age you, can take away your glow, can tan you, and even can cause skin cancer. So please try and start incorporating more of sunscreen in your regular skincare routine. अगर आप नहीं लगा रहे हो, there are so many different sunscreens available. Do let me know if you want me to make a dedicated video on summer sunscreens. I will definitely do that for you. Then another tip here is that even in the makeup that you are doing during the summer time ना, जैसे कि ये BB cream भी मैंने share करी थी डामा को कि Faces Canada का ये जो foundation है, तो look for the products which have SPF in it, so that आपको जो protection है वो double हो जाए and you are getting more of the coverage and sun protection than you need. Now, next tip is that generally summers में क्या होता है कि we sweat a lot and a lot of people just keep on cleansing their face a lot. So what I would suggest is अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आता है दिन में, so making sure that you are cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. So whatever harsh cleanser you've been using, please switch them to a gentle cleanser, because अगर आप बार बार अपना फेस धो रहे हो with a very harsh cleanser, आपका skin barrier damage हो जाएगा and then you will be having so many different issues like pigmentation, melasma and all of that. So be gentle with your skin. Then another thing is, instead of using this harsh cleanser जिससे कि आप बार बार अपना फेस धो रहे हो और फिर आपको black heads हो रहे हैं, white heads हो रहे हैं, instead you can incorporate a chemical exfoliator in your routine. तो आपको वीक में एक बार, you can be using, I've shared so many, you can use from Dermaco, you can use from any other brand. this 15% वाला जो फेस पील है जो आप घर पे आराम से कर सकते हो, that you can apply once in a week, which will help in removing any of the dirt and debris जो आपके फेस के ऊपर greasiness जो आ जाती है summers में, that will go off without stripping off your skin barrier. Now, last but not the least is the tip of obviously staying hydrated, कि बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पिएं. So what I feel is, जो मेरे साथ भी होता है कि when I keep on drinking water, फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, मेरी skin अभी भी dehydrated है. तो what you can do here, a tip is that when you're incorporating, ना सुबह में जब आप अपना वाटर पीते हो, पानी पीते हो, उठते ही मेकिंग श्योर दैट यू आर ड्रिंकिंग एज यू सून एज यू गेट अप, उसी वक्त उसमें हल्का सा पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट आप डाल सकते हो. यू कैन ऐड रॉक सॉल्ट, यू कैन ऐड नॉर्मल सॉल्ट, just a little bit of pinch, so that you are, that your body is holding on to that water and you're not getting dehydrated. Then another bonus tip is that whenever you go out, accessorize yourself with sunglasses, hat, scarves and all. Protect yourself from sun and making sure that you're not, being in the sun from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Try avoiding that time, but still if you need to go out, protect yourself well. Even don't forget your hands and your feet. Apply sunscreen over them also. So these were a few of the tips that I wanted to share with you for summers. If you have more tips up your sleeve, do comment below. I also would love to know them. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Do like the video. Bye.